So the road is messed up. Here comes a train crawling by. Yeah, this is my life. Oh, yeah, real slow. Come on, you can do it. 8098. And people wonder why I am late all the time. Well, it's not because I like to dress up. It's because it's crap. Most of the time. Train, train, train. Train, train, train. Train, train, train. Train of fools. I hear the train coming. Roll around the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Brunswick, Georgia, and time keeps dragging home. When I hear that whistle blowing down to San Antone. When I was just a baby, my mama told me once, always be a good girl, don't ever play with guns. I shot a man in Brunswick just to watch him die. When I hear that lonesome whistle, I hang my head and cry. And the train is still going. Oh yeah, there's always the band train. But that she's back in the atmosphere with drops of Jupiter in her hair. See, it's ridiculous though, and seriously. I mean, I really just want to see how long it takes for this thing to go by. And we are at 3 minutes. La 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 la. Still going. Well, at least now I have proof of what I go through. Stop this train. Ooh, that's pretty. The only thing cool about the trains is the graffiti. I think that's very neat. You get to see that. Otherwise, this thing sucks. I really do hate my speaking voice, people. So if I do start making music videos, just please forgive how southern I can sound. It's embarrassing. I mean, I could always talk British, and I always enjoy that. Yeah. What the heck is that? Rocks? I don't know. Sand? Crushed up animal bones? I don't know. It's a bunch of it, eh? We're now at 4 minutes. Wait. We are now approaching 5 minutes. And we're at 5 minutes right now. could have written a song in this time. Any song request? Any song request? And so, yeah, how's your day going? This is how mine's going. I don't know. Let's just walk out here because we can. Oh. I don't think everything I really want to. All of me, giving you all of me. Can't you see? I can't live without you. Wow, that's neat. There's holes in it. All of me, giving you all of me. 6 minutes and 53 seconds. Wow. And this guy shall give, then this night shall lose. So the Bible says, but it still is news. Mama may have, Papa may have, but God bless the child. He's got his own. He's got his own. Rich relations keep, custom braid and such. You can't help yourself, but don't take too much. That's terrible. Mama may have, and Papa may have, but God, there's a child who's got his own. He's got his own. Oh, well, imagine that after 8 minutes and 30 seconds here, it is stopping. Imagine that. I just can't believe that. This is great. I'm just getting all this video because I'm sick of this crap. We need a way out of here. Let us out of here. Let us out of here. Okay, so as you can see, after 9 minutes, the train has now decided to come to a full and complete stop. Please do not attempt to climb the train or crawl under it, as you will be squished into a very flat pancake. More like a crepe. Yes, see? So again, this is the road that we drive upon. Walking down the road to Jerusalem. I think they're supposed to say jiggle, but I think they forgot a G. Anyway, yeah. Road closed. Train in way. So I cannot leave my property. Alright, well, that was fun. It has now been 10 minutes. If you watch this whole video, you are a saint. I don't know. Hey, this is cool. Hashtag train girl. Hashtag can't get out. Hashtag stuck here. Hope you all have a good day.